What's up, you guys? This is FBI Husky, and this is an effed up car. Let's back up. Maybe they can move out the way because it's so messed up that it cannot move. You know, I'm trying to drive it frontwards. Ugh. It's so messed up. But you guys want to play with me, this is how I drive usually. Yeah, my wheels get stuck. I just turn a certain way and then Paco like wrecks into me. Like this. And then I'm on fire. This thing is hard as shit to drive. Now my back tire's locked. Oh my god, it's got smoke coming from it and everything. This is awesome. Oh, and I grabbed the health pack. And that's the end of the video.